My family's secret to keeping the bathroom smelling for 24 hours. To start today's tip, in a container I will add 200 milliliters of fabric softener, being the item that will bring the smell that your bathroom or any other place that will use this mixture need. Do not worry about the amount of use of the ingredients, this mixture will yield a lot and have its use for a long time. Next, I will also use Coca-Cola. The ideal amount for use is 1 cup. You have used Coke for cleaning in your home. This tip is the main item, and it will bring the differential for a great result. You will already notice that the consistency of these two ingredients together is totally different from any products sold in the markets. I'm sure you'll thank me for this tip. Now we must mix well until it becomes a unique mixture. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Patricia Coach from Nairobi. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The third item for use in this mixture is baking soda. Only 1 tablespoon is needed. This is the main item for the removal of stains and fats, acting directly with the effect of Coca-Cola. Now we must mix very well until completely diluted, and only these 3 ingredients will bring the cleaning you need. To facilitate the application, I will put all this mixture in a spray bottle. I'm using one with a capacity of 200 milliliters, thus making it easier to apply and arriving in more difficult places. I am also using a funnel to facilitate the passage of liquid to the bottle. This mixture works perfectly for cleaning, especially your bathroom, being able to use in all items and not only in the toilet, being possible to use in the sinks, bath area and even to the floor. This amount is enough for more than a heavy cleaning in your bathroom, and for demonstration in the video, I will apply directly to the toilet. Just a small amount is enough for use. Applying to the toilet and rubbing with a brush, I can remove any stain and yellowish. Tell me if you know any tips using Coke as a main item. I would love to know too. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.